Today is a good day for business. Now, nothing could really get in my way. Was this a phone call? Hello? Demolition? But why? What what do you mean? What do you mean it's unhygienic? The whole point is to make you sick. Ugh, no, the 5 minutes, that's not enough time to pack anything. Alright. I'll go then. Uh, Well, I can always go to my spare place. Here we are, my spare place. No, I forgot my camera. Oh, look, a new video camera. That's interesting. Suppose that I'm now going to be using these from now on.